Pinakagwapo.
Dali, dali, dali.
What's that?
Yeah, I can even focus on sleeping. You're so pretty every day I'm thinking. Baby, could you help me cause I'm freezing. If you want to see me, it's cause you miss me. You say that you will love me every night and day, and I promise you that I will do the same. I know that nobody will love you the same way. Yeah, you're so easy to love, and I like when you say I'm the one.
Hello, good evening everyone. So, I'm here alone. We're here actually with with my team, with our team, Raining Light Family, sa Cabin in the Sky, Tanay Rizal. Unfortunately, I am supposed to be working at home. Pero, yun nga, I really wanted to make everything parang normal lang siya. Because when I started and decided to work, I told myself that whatever happens, I'll make time for every moment na makakasama ko ang aking mga special someone, my husband, my spiritual family. Kaya nandito ko ngayon. But I'm still working right now as of the moment. Ayan po. So, and I'm currently working at home. So, ayun nga. Ayan ang aking husband. Okay lang ako dito. Wow. Ganda ng ano mo ah. Pakita ka dito sa... Ayan. So, this is the most special and hindi pala, most important thing that you will make time for the people na importante sa'yo. Because naniniwala tayo that ang oras ay hindi nababalik yan, ang moment hindi nababalik yan. So, as much as possible and hanggat kaya mong gawa ng paraan, gawan mo ng paraan. Di ba nga? So, I'm waiting for my logins and yun nga, we value every relationship and for us, every relationship is as important as, para sa akin as important as time. Ganun mo siya dapat bina-value. And yung purpose namin to be with, to be with our spiritual parents and our co-leaders and yung magstay kami dito sa lugar na to is something that hindi sa pampaano lang alam mo yun, pampawala ng oras, hindi sa ganun but we make it a point that everything is intentional and everything ay may purpose, diba? So we are here to make plans at talagang ang goal pa rin namin is to strengthen each other, to build each others up, especially in terms of spirituality kasi yun naman talaga, diba? That hindi pandemic ang magpapabagsak sa'yo and whatever happens, you must understand and you must be reminded that you have your team. They got your back. Hindi ka maliligaw at hindi ka nag-iisa. So, while waiting for them, gusto kong bumaba pero kailangan maging mabuti tayong manggagawa. Sumunod tayo sa oras kaya mamaya na lang sa break time ko. And sino ba ang makakapag-isip na pwede pala to, possible pa pala to? Una, gusto ko magpasalamat sa company where I am working with. Kasi the company allowed me to magtrabaho at home. And with that being said, they provided a set of computer, internet connection, and a very, sabihin na natin, very flexible time. For me, it's a privilege, and kaya nandito ako ngayon because of that opportunity. So, nag-enjoy ako having time with these amazing people, ayan, while working. So, nagatrabaho ka na, nagbabakasyon ka pa, sumasahod ka na, and yeah, it's a total package. So, if you are someone na may problem ngayon with their relationship, I suggest that you must, paano ba to? For me kasi, you will know the value of every relationship if you value your relationship with the Lord. So first and foremost, if you are having trouble with relationship na meron ka, pwedeng sa asawa mo, sa kaibigan mo, sa family mo, or sa mga tao sa paligid mo, para maayos yan, ang sagot lang talaga is to reconcile with the Lord. Makapag-reconcile ka muna sa Lord and make sure that your relationship with Him ay yun yung unang-unang maayos. Because if you are okay, if your relationship with the Lord is okay, good, mabunga, and so on, so you will know how to value every relationship. Kasi yun yung iyong prototype, yun yung gayahan mo, yun yung standard mo ng maayos na relationship. 'Di ba? So, ang ano doon is, ang relationship mo with the Lord kapag okay kayo, alam mo na ang mga mahal ng Lord, dapat mahal mo din. At ayaw ng Lord na kakasakitan, ayaw ng Lord na hindi natin kasundo ang lahat ng tao, because everyone ay mahalaga sa Lord, important sa Lord. So, matututunan natin na i-value at pahalagahan ng relationship. Hindi mangingibabaw ang emosyon, hindi mangingibabaw ang galit, hindi mangingibabaw ang ako na lang ba lagi, bakit ako yung agrabyado or whatsoever. But instead, you will always hide sa shadow ng Panginoon na, Lord, even though they nag-cause sila ng pain sa akin, magtatago lang ako sa iyong harapan. Deal with it, Father. Help me forgive. Help me love them because I love you and I know you love them too. So, help me. Ganun lang palagi. And then, I am telling you, you will learn how to forgive as easy. Hindi ko naman sinasabi na perfect ako. Meron pa rin time na ang hirap talagang magpatawad. But, pag nare-remind ako sa relationship ko with the Lord, I always ask myself na kung si Lord yung nandito, ano kayang gagawin niya? Diba? And, with that being said, na itatama ko agad ang aking emosyon. Hindi na lang ako nagagalit. Hindi lang ako. Pero, for that thing na hindi na maulit, I make it a point to talk to that person na naka-offend sa akin. Because I understood na kapag hindi mo siya kinausap, para mo na rin siyang tinolerate sa, yun nga, sa kanyang pagkakamali. May bisita ako! Wow! Hindi na pagwawa. What's that? Rubber fruit. Aww! Sweet! Sunog!
Hindi sunog yan. Ganyan talaga yan. Kaya takto yan. Ay, takto yan. Aww!
everyone! We are here at Cabin in the Sky, Tanay, Rizal. And I am with my Raining Light family, Tito Boy. Ayan. Ayan po sila, busy because we just arrived. Ambilin, say hi! Ito, sexy namin. Ayan, si Tita sa Ray. Ay, akit tayo dun sa... Punta naman tayo dito sa Sek. Hello po. Ay, si Nanay. Hi. Welcome. Welcome, Tanay. Hi, Tita Saray. Ayun na. And, ito ang kanilang... Ano ba tawag dito, Tito? Ate. Yan. Si Ate Lamin. Si Tito Ronnie at si Tito Denver. Ganda, no? Cute, no? Ay, ang galing. Paleta. Nice po. Oo nga eh. Nice. Yes po. Yan, no? Mamaya bababain natin yung ref natin. Ang cute. Napakalinis. Ano po? Yan. So, they are so busy preparing for the food. At ako din mamaya busy na dahil magla-login na ako at will work. Still work. Ayan ang aking husband na po dito. Hi. Good morning. Yan, good morning ulit. Nakakailang good morning na ako. Good morning, Diane. Good morning. Yeah. So, it's a activity time. And so, again, this is ano ba tawag dun? Ang view in the morning here in Cabin in the Clouds. So, it's so nice to see how green the nature is, how healthy and relaxing, diba? While you are on top of the mountains, seeing trees and nature, talagang nakaka-relax. Yan o. Ito o. Still busy. Love, say hi. Hi. Kita yata yung bungi ko. Wow, Cabin in the Clouds. You got the perfect spot in Tanay. So, punta na kayo dito sa Cabin in the Clouds. It's highly recommended. And I think it's affordable. Good morning, Cabin in the Clouds. Really nice. Hello, good morning. Nice, good morning sa mga fish. Hello. Oh, nice na mga fish. Labra! Hello! Hello! Hello, Pring! Come here. Ang cute niyo, oh. Labra! But she's a shy type. Ang cute, no? And so, yan, kung gusto nyong ma-relax, malayo sa COVID issue, punta kayo sa bundok, mamundok kayo, at pagmasdan nyo ang kapaligiran. Ganda, no? So, it's like you're in Tagaytay or in yeah, Tagaytay, I guess. Nice. So relaxing. Want to share this verse to you. 1 Thessalonians 5:11. Ang sabi doon, therefore, encourage one another and build each others up. Just as in fact, you are doing. Kaya, huwag tayong magsawang mag-encourage, i-build ang isa't isa, i-value ang relationship. Yun ang bilin sa atin ng Panginoon. So, yun ang muna for tonight and for today. Let me continue working. So, bye for now.
That you get after all that